I am at my farm. Look, my crop is damaged by wild animals like boars, monkeys and elephants. I had fenced two sides of my farm and one side is unfenced. The farm resembles a right-angled triangle and the lengths of the already fenced sides are 29 meters and 21 meters. To protect my farm, I need to fence the third side as well. But how can we find its length? Hello from Acadeli. In this video, we will explore the real-life applications of the Pythagoras property. The shape of the farm resembles a right-angled triangle. Let's name this triangle ABC, with angle A being the right angle and the length of the side AC being x meters. Now to find the value of x, we apply the Pythagoras property on this triangle and see what we get. But before we proceed, we need to identify the hypotenuse of this triangle. Can you identify the hypotenuse in this triangle? Correct. BC is the hypotenuse. So, using Pythagoras property, we can write BC square equals AB square plus AC square. Let's now substitute the value of the length of each side. 29 square equals 21 square plus x square, or 841 equals 441 plus x square. Now on subtracting 441 from both sides, we get 841 minus 441 equals x square, or 400 equals x square. The prime factorization of 400 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5, or 20 times 20, or 20 square. So, x equals 20. Thus, I need to construct a 20 meters long fence to protect my farm. Also, in my village, we are currently dealing with a bit of a problem. We are finding it difficult to cross the river. So, a bridge is going to be constructed over the river to make our lives easier. To make sure the bridge is well supported, the base of the structure will be 24 meters long and the altitude of the structure will be 5 meters. I wonder if there is a way to find out the length of these sides connecting the ends of the base to the top of the altitude. The structure of this bridge represents an isosceles triangle. Let's name this triangle ABC and the point where the altitude and side AC meet to be point D. The base AC of this triangle ABC is 24 meters long and the altitude BD is 5 meters high. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So the altitude BD divides the side AC into equal parts, or AD equals DC equals 12 meters. Let's take the lengths of the sides AB and BC as x. Can you tell what type of triangles are ABD and BDC? Correct. Since BD is perpendicular to AC, the triangles ABD and BDC are right-angled triangles. Can we now find the value of x? Correct. By using the Pythagoras property for the right triangle, we can write the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the legs of the triangle ABD. Or we can write x square equals 5 square plus 12 square. Or x square equals 25 plus 144. Or x square equals 169. By using the prime factorization method, we can write 169 as 13 times 13 or 13 square. So, x equals 13. Hence, the length of the metal rods should be 13 meters. Let me tell you another story of my village. Yesterday, because of a huge storm, a tree was broken at a height of 9 meters from the ground, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 40 meters. How can we find the full length of the tree? Here, this broken tree resembles a right-angled triangle. And by using the Pythagoras property, we can find the length of the broken part, which can be added to the remaining part to get the full length of the tree. Let's name this triangle ABC. Here, AD is the broken part, which touches the ground at C. The remaining part, which is AB, equals 9 meters. And the distance of the tree top lying on the ground, that is BC, equals 40 meters. By using the Pythagoras property, we can write AC square equals AB square plus BC square, or AC square equals 9 square plus 40 square, or AC square equals 81 plus 1600, which equals 1681. Now, using the prime factorization method, we can write 1681 equals 41 times 41. So, AC equals 41 meters. But this is the length of the broken part of the tree, that is AD. Now to find the full length of the tree, we add AD and AB. So, the full length of the tree was 50 meters. Now, before I go back to fence my farm, let's recap what we have discussed today. In a right-angled triangle ABC, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of its legs. This is called the Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property is very helpful in solving many real-life problems.